Welcome to the student induction here at Haringey Learns. In this session, you will learn about British values and their importance. Let's go.
Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Jay, and I will be your teacher today. Today, we are going to learn about British values. British values are the important principles that guide how people live and work together in the UK. They help us to build a society that is fair, safe, and respectful for everyone. There are 5 British values: democracy, the rule of law, individual liberty, mutual respect, tolerance of different faiths and beliefs. Let's look at them in more detail. Democracy means that everyone has a voice. People have the right to vote, to choose their leaders, and to share their opinions. It also means that decisions are made fairly and not controlled by just one person. Democracy gives people the power to be part of shaping their community and their country. The rule of law means that laws are there to protect us and keep society safe. Everyone must follow the law, from ordinary citizens to leaders in government. It means that justice is fair and no one is above the law. The rule of law helps communities to feel secure and supported. Individual liberty is about freedom. In the UK, people have the right to make choices about their own lives. You can decide what you believe, what you want to say, and how you want to live, as long as you respect the rights of others. Liberty gives people the chance to be themselves and to live without fear. Mutual respect is about treating people with fairness, kindness, and understanding. Even if someone has a different opinion, background, or lifestyle, they should still be respected. Respect is what makes communities stronger, because it helps people to get along and support each other. Tolerance of different faiths and beliefs means recognizing and accepting that people in Britain follow many different religions and cultures. We may not all believe the same things, but tolerance helps us to live together peacefully. It teaches us to value diversity and celebrate what makes people unique. Together, these values create a society where people feel safe, respected, and free to be themselves. Here in Haringey, these values are also very important. Haringey Learns, as part of Haringey Council, promotes fundamental values like democracy, the rule of law, respect for others, and tolerance of different cultures. These values are part of the Council's overall strategy and are built into learning programs for both residents and staff. This approach matches the national definition of British values, but it also reflects Haringey's own community focus. The aim is to foster a strong sense of belonging and to empower individuals. For learners, this means being part of a community that values fairness, equality, and respect for everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.
Well done. Keep it up with the good work and thanks for choosing Haringey Learns for your studies.